Hi dolls! Today's tutorial will be based on Sarah's hairstyle and nails from last week's video. For those of you who don't know, this is Sarah. Now without further ado, let's get started. For today's video, we will be using Zoya nail polish in the color Tawny, but you could use any nail polish that you want. You will also need a toothpick to color the nails with. First, we will take a tiny amount of nail polish off of the applicator with the toothpick and then apply it to Sarah's nails. Then we will repeat the same step on the other hand. We're finished. Time for the hair. What you will need for the hair are 2 mini hair clips like the ones right here and a hairbrush. First, we're going to brush her hair out. Then grab about this much hair and brush it up. Now put the clip in place. Now brush the other part of the hair like this. Okay, now put a clip in there too. Now put the rest of the hair in the front. If you guys want to know how to make this shirt, then please click on the link right here. Now we're finished. If you have any ideas for a future video, please comment below. Thank you. Si te gustaría ver este video en español, por favor, sigue este link. Gracias.